So in 1999, we started working on a $20 million revitalization project at the confluence of the Big and Little Arkansas rivers. Now, this is a sacred space, and the Native Americans had been hanging out there for centuries. It's a peaceful, neutral zone. Tribes might be at war with each other, but it was a place of peace. There was trade, powwows, and a community. But the reality of the site was the keeper was positioned at the river's edge, covered with trees and trash. It was in disrepair, and it was disrespectful. So the design team was out to dinner at the kickoff meeting, and the landscape architect started talking about his vision for the project. And he said, what if we raise the keeper on a plinth, a little platform, pull it out of the river, and then make it easy to get out there, with 2 pedestrian bridges connecting the riverbanks to the Keeper Confluence Plaza. And it was just this brilliant solution, simple little sketch, but to create a destination, a place to go. So the plaza is arranged around the 4 elements, the sacred hoop, and the 4 elements of earth, air, fire, and water. So we interpreted each of these elements in a unique way. The earth with medicinal, traditional plants, the air using a high-pressure fog system, pushing the air through the cracks and creating almost a surreal feeling on the plaza. The water is, of course, the life force of the river, and fire was incorporated around the keeper in big drum-like fire pots that are lighted every evening. We also piped Native American flute music into the site to further communicate this peaceful, sacred place. The buffalo poles are the sacred guardians watching over the entrance to the site. The medicine animal shield was the spirit guide that they emblazoned on their shields. The eagles were revered because they were both of the land and the sky. We worked with materials that would withstand the elements, stone, steel, and stand the test of time. We had the entire exhibit coated with anti-graffiti because we were worried about marking, but the exhibit has never been tagged or defaced, showing the power of telling a story in public art. It was such an honor to work on this project, to tell the story of the Plains Indians, to preserve it and pass it on to the next generation.